Hello everyone. In this particular video, we will see how to work with navigation pans. That is how we can find a word, replace that word, how to jump from one document to another using go to command, how to jump from tables and equations. Let's see one by one. For navigation pan, click on View tab and you can see navigation pan in Show Group. You can click here and you can see on the left hand side the navigation pan, or you can click Ctrl F, that is shortcut key for navigation pan. First of all, I need some text. So I am using inbuilt function rand for random text. Now you can see some text on my screen. Basically, in navigation, we create a document map. Remember, if you are working in Office 2007, you will not get this option, navigation. In that version, you have to just click on View tab, and after that you have to click on Document Map option like this. In Office 2007, you will get this option from here. Click on View and then click on Document Map. But in Office 2016, you have to click on Ctrl F for navigation pan. Now I just want to create the document map so that we can directly jump from one topic to another, or you can say from one heading to another. Suppose I'm going to write here SD College. I just want to give it the main heading. So I have to just choose this heading option 1. Remember, I have to give the heading, and suppose I just want to write something under this heading, this main heading. Suppose this is computer department and I just want to make it the subheading under SD College. I have to select this option, that is heading 2. Now I want one more subheading, that is Commerce Department, and I just want it again the subheading under SD College. Now I want the main heading NSS and I just want it as heading 1. Now you can see on the left hand side, this is my main heading SD College and these two are subheading. NSS is main heading and I just want to add subheading under this NSS. Suppose it is activities and I just want this should be subheading under NSS. Again, I just want some more text. I just want to create one more main heading to make you more understand, and I am just going to select it main heading. You can see I have added some main headings, subheadings in my document, or you can write chapter 1, chapter 2 as the main heading, and for subheading you can include some topics in that. So my document will look like this. If I want to jump from subtopic, that is Commerce Department, I can click here. Now you can see my cursor is now on Commerce Department. Suppose I want to jump on this NSS part, I can jump. I want to jump here, that is on YRC, I can jump directly from this navigation pan. I can club this main heading by clicking here on a small arrow. It will club the main heading, and if you want to elaborate it, just click here again. So in this way, I can create a document map in my Word document. If you want to see all the pages, you have to just click on this option. It will show the all the pages. And in Office 2007, if you want to see all the pages, then you have to click on thumbnail option. Then it will show you all the pages. But we are working in 2016. So click here to see all the pages. So in this way, you can create a document map of your documents. Now come to next topic, that is find. Suppose I want to find a particular word. How I can find that? You can see on the navigation pane, you can search anything. Suppose I want to find a word that is powerful. Just type that word and don't press enter. You can see the highlighted portion. That means these heading include that word, that is powerful. If you scroll down your page, you can see that word is highlighted everywhere. Now come to navigation pane. It is displaying that 5 results. That means in my document, powerful word exists 5 times. If you want to jump, you have to click here. This is now showing result 1 of 5. That means I am on the first word, and if I'll go forward, it will show me the another word, powerful, third word, and so on. So in this way, I can find any word. Now suppose I want to replace this word powerful with some another word. How I can change it? I have to just click here on the drop down option. Just click here and you will get an option replace. After selecting this option, you will get the dialog box. By default, it selected the keyword powerful. Suppose I want to replace this word with online. Then I can replace it. Just click on this replace option. It will highlight the first word, and if you click here replace, it will replace that word with online. You can see here it replaced that word with online. If you will click here again, it will show the second word, and you will click again, then it will replace the second word. If you want to replace all the powerful word with online word, you can click here replace all. It is showing that all done. We made 2 replacement. Just click OK, close it. Now you can see each powerful word is replaced with online word. So in this way, I can replace one word at a time or replace all the words at a time. Next is go to. If you want to jump from one page to another, or you want to jump from one line to another line, how we can jump? Just click here on drop down option. You will get a dialog box, and now click on this option, that is go to. It will show the same dialog box of find and replace but with different tab, that is go to. You can find word from here also, replace it. Now come to go to tab. Suppose I want to jump on page, so I have to select here page option and click on, and you can write page number. Suppose I want to jump on page number 3 and click on go to option. It will directly jump from that page to page number 3. You can see on the status bar I am on page number 3. Suppose I want to jump page number 2, just click go to. Now this time I am on page number 2. Suppose I want to jump from section to section, but in this document I have not created section, so I am going from line to line. Suppose I want to jump on line number 4. Just write 4 and click go to option. Now you can see my cursor is on 4th line. This is my 4th line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this way I can directly jump from one position to another position. Next is tables. Suppose in your document you have many tables, you can jump from one table to another. How I can jump? Let's see. You have to again click on this drop down option. This time select tables option. Now you can see in navigation pan the highlighted portion. It means in these heading and subheading we have tables and it is showing that result 1 of 3. That means in my document we have 3 total tables. I am on table 1, that is this is my first table. Just click here. This is second table. It is showing that result 2 of 3 and this is 3 of 3. So in this way I can jump from one table to another and so on. Now suppose I want to jump from one equation to another. I can jump. First of all, I need to write some equations. How I can write it? Just click on the insert tab and you can see there is the option equation. Click on it. You will get lots of equations. Just I am selecting this equation. On some another page I am just inserting one more equation. Click here and you will get the equations. Suppose I want to insert this equation and I want one more equation, that is mathematical equation. Click here and select this option. Now you can see I have 3 equations in my document. I just want to jump from one equation to another or from anywhere to equation. Suppose my cursor is on this position. So I just want to jump from equations. You have to click on this drop down option. Now this time select this option, that is equations. It will show the highlighted portion. It means in my document these headings and subheading include the equations and it is showing that result 1 of 3. That means in my document we have 3 equations. How I can jump? Just click here. This is 2 of 3. That means it is equation 2, equation 3. So in this way I can jump from equation to equation. Hope you will understand how to find a word, how to replace that word, how to jump from one page to another, one line to another, one table to another table, and finally from equation 1 to equation 2 and so on. That's it for this video.